Hey guys, what's up? Jace over here at Red Digital and
Leslie with Red Digital.
Okay, so we want to update you guys on what's going on in the marketing world, especially with the webinars we've been running. And if I look a little weird, this eye, it's dilated, had to have some eye surgery, got poked in the eye, lost the lens, crazy stuff.
Yeah.
Okay, so look at Leslie more than me right now. Got it. Okay, so a couple things we're noticing. We're going to talk about what we've been doing. This is all post-COVID, and the shutdown is almost over for a lot of states, but it still is happening in a lot of states. So we just want to discuss what we're doing and what's working, what's not working. So first off, Leslie, what's working?
What's working? Straight to office consults. I think now people are kind of in the groove of going into the office as opposed to virtual consultation. So I'm seeing a huge shift in straight to office consults.
Straight to office. So explain.
So that means they are wanting to go and have a consultation with you.
Yep. Yeah. So the big thing first 2 weeks that we started the whole webinar thing is they worked great. You would book out a lot of them, but slowly we've noticed, like, if you booked 100 webinars, if you get 100 registered, we had a 30% show. What's the show rate now? Well, we probably had a 50% show.
We had a 50% at the first part when people were just so scared to leave their house. But now it's 30 and it's starting to dwindle down. So I think people are getting more comfortable with, I'm okay to go to a doctor's or I'm okay to go to an office, basically.
Okay. So this is what we're noticing. So we ran a campaign. This was ran from March 1st to the 8th of March. And through our marketing efforts, we use Google, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, everything to get people there. So I have this one listed at, we did a neuropathy campaign. We got a total of 18 leads, $17.77 per lead. Okay. And we got 16 of those scheduled. So they're not just a simple email address that we're collecting. We're actually collecting a lead where they fill out a questionnaire.
Right.
Okay.
So they're already doing a quality of life survey. We filter them basically for you. So you're not just getting a contact, you're getting a true person with neuropathy pain at a certain pain level that has already tried certain things, basically.
Okay. So we were 18 leads, $17 per lead, and we booked 16 consults where they came in. So total booking was $319, or total ad spend was $319, and converted, so far one of those converted. So if you have a neuropathy program that's running a few $1,000s, then you can see that's very profitable. Next one, we did a weight loss campaign, and this is all for the same clinic. So we did a weight loss campaign at 39 leads, and this is just for the last week. We got $8.62 for cost per lead, scheduled 14 of those 39, and waiting on conversion data right now. But your total spend for weight loss was $330 to get 40 people that are interested.
Right.
Okay. And just because they don't come in doesn't mean you're not going to get them down the road.
Right, especially that you still have to do your ROF, you still have to get all the data, you still have to create a custom plan for them. So a lot of those people will be coming back in for a second appointment.
And then what are we doing for nurturing? Like when a lead comes in, what are we doing to get them into the office?
Immediately we're sending texts, emails, the clinic coordinator is getting emails and texts that leads came in. That way she can jump right on the phone and start scheduling them.
Okay. So another one, stem cell. A lot of people like the stem cell one. So we got 10 leads for that one, $37 per lead on the stem cell. And they actually scheduled every single one of those. Now, like I said, they're not just simple leads. They're not people filling out their name, email address. We want them to fill out a full survey before we get them. Okay. So they spent $316 for 10 consults, and so far 2 of those have converted, which do the ROI, $316 for 2 stem cell clients.
So the average stem cell price for 1 unit, which is the starting, is $5,000.
Yeah.
So 2 people have already bought 1 unit.
So $10,000.
Yeah, they've made $10,000
on a 316 ad spend.
Yep.
Okay. Same with so overall they're into all their ad spend about $967. And 67 survey leads is what we like to call them. And 40 of those got booked. Now, are all practices having this type of success?
No.
No.
I was about to say ours are.
Yeah. No, but what stops these guys from having success? What are some pitfalls that we're seeing with a good clinic versus a bad clinic?
So when we bring clinics on, I'm noticing they're not paying for leads. They are paying for first name, last name, phone number, email. That's not a lead to me. That's somebody's contact information. And then we get them true leads by the quality of life survey, vetting them, and pre-qualifying them. Another thing is people aren't tracking their conversion rates.
Yeah. They have no idea what conversions, and you'll talk to a lot of practices and they'll say, oh, we're converting at this. Well, they're really not. Or they think the practice down the street's converting at something crazy and they're not. Reality is you need to track everything. A person in your office, like what we've noticed too, the person who is calling to follow up matters.
Yes.
Just talk about that.
Yeah, so we actually work directly with them. I personally coach them. We tell them like a phone script. We show them exactly why it matters so much to contact them within the first 5 minutes of getting that lead. And then that nurture sequence, not just from us, text message, voicemail, and emails, but also from the clinic. So I think that person's really valuable to like integrate our business in theirs.
Correct. So you need to have somebody like that. It makes all the difference in the world from a successful campaign and not a successful. So anything else to update these guys?
Yeah, webinars are still working. We're not saying stop webinars.
Oh yeah, no.
Yesterday we had one for peptides and weight loss, and he scheduled 12 people while he was doing the webinar.
Yeah.
So
okay. So yeah, so they still work, and you still should, like, in my opinion, a webinar should be part of your overall marketing campaign from here out. Right. Because once you do a couple of them, you have them recorded, and so you can turn those into evergreen webinars. But to do all of this, so let me make a recommendation. We do a lot in the back office that doctors don't know about. So it's not easy to go out there and do by yourself. Don't think that you can just all of a sudden launch your own webinar. There's a lot that goes into it. We do practices. We do kind of warm-up webinars.
Coaching, redoing PowerPoint.
Yeah, it does. Little things make a big difference.
Right.
Okay. So if you have questions, let us know. You can reach out to us. You can go to reddmg.com or marketingbyred.com, and you can fill out any of our proposals. We'll give you a full proposal. Anything else?
Yeah, if you have a neuropathy campaign, call me.
She loves neuropathy.
I love neuropathy.
Okay. Yeah, and we do have some really good stuff on the neuropathy. But, hey, good luck. Peace. Keep marketing. Adios.